Today I'm gonna do henna. My mom's gonna draw henna for kids. Let's get started. So first we're gonna do a little circle. Now I'm gonna do another circle around it. After the circle, draw little leaves and make sure they are really tiny. Not too much. Keep going until you got the old things around and around. When you're done with that, next you're gonna draw is another leaf with a bigger meat. It's gonna be side to side. Make sure to get them a little far, but close too. When you're done with that, and after that, we're gonna do something. Let's see. We're gonna do a little swirl, circle, a little circle, swirl, little swirl. And we're gonna add rainbow petals, like a rainbow, but it's gonna be brown, except it's gonna be brown. Then when you're done, we're gonna add petals and another rainbow line, straight line like that, and then we're gonna add some little fillings. After that, we're gonna do this. We're going to draw this round and around, touch it, a loop. That's what it's called, a loop. After the loop, we're going to do little petals. And after the petals, let's keep going. Has to be really dark. And when we're done doing that, we're gonna do a few of little leaves. Make sure you get Mehndi on it. And then we're gonna do fillings inside the leaves. We're only gonna do 3 of them. The big ones are going to go on top because it's really going to be big. Since then the fillings going to go inside, we're going to keep doing fillings because we don't want the right hand to see. After that, we're going to draw rainbow petals in the middle that we did. Then we're going to draw some petals on top. Next we're going to draw is some big petals around that. We're only going to do 3. After those 3 of them, we're going to do a little swirl on top. We're going to draw lines on top, inside. We're going to draw T. And when we're done, we're going to draw some fillings. And we're going to draw a little circle. And then we're going to add a little bit of petals. It's going to... And then we're going to draw petals on top of that. After we're done drawing the petals, we're going to draw little lines inside. 2 of them, of course. after we're done doing that, we're gonna do a little swirl leaf. It's gonna be really cute. And after that little cutie swirl, we're gonna draw a line on it. Then another line. After we're done drawing the other line, we're gonna draw some little petals. Once we're done doing the little petals, we're going to do a little swirl. And we're going to draw a little circle on around it. And then when we're done doing that, we're going to draw a few petals on top. Once we're done doing that, we're going to draw some straight lines. Make sure all the Mehndi doesn't go like yeah. Make it all too much, but not too much. After we're done, we're going to do that. See it? And after done doing all that stuff. Bye guys, I hope you're liking my channel. Don't forget to click on subscribe and join my videos. Bye!